Hello everybody. Today I'm going to make a short video on duplexes, and it's really important to understand the idea of what a duplex is if you want to know the shortcuts and how to square numbers quickly. So I'm going to go over three different types of duplexes. We have a duplex of a 1-digit number, a 2-digit number, and a 3-digit number. So how do we find the duplex of a 1-digit number? So I'm going to say find the duplex. Okay, so what's the duplex of 4? You just square it, okay? So it's just a square of that number. It's just 16, okay? What's the duplex of 8? Again, you just square it, you get 64. Okay, so not a big deal. The duplex is just the square of a 1-digit number is just its square. Okay, easy enough, right? Now, we're also going to find the duplex for a 2-digit number here. So let's say I have the number 24. So it's a little different for a 2-digit number, okay? The duplex for a 2-digit number is you multiply the two numbers and then you take twice of that, okay? So I'm going to write that out. So it's 2 times 4, then I have to double that. So that's going to be 4 times 4, it's just 16, okay? So it's twice their product doubled, okay? So let's do 37. The duplex of 37 is 3 times 7 times 2, 21 times 2, 42, okay? The duplex of 68 is 6 times 8 times 2. So 48 times 2 is 96. Okay? So duplex of a 1-digit number is just its square. Of a 2-digit number, it's the product of the two numbers doubled. Okay? And then 3 digits a little bit different. So say I have 1, 2, 3. Start off with that example. So I just want the duplex. So it's kind of like the duplex of a 2-digit number, but there's an added step. So you're going to take the product of the end two numbers, 1 times 3. You're going to double it. And to that quantity, you're going to add the square of the middle number. So that's 4, right? 2 times 2 is 4. So we put it all together. We get 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay? Let's find the duplex of 287. Okay? So it's going to be 2 times 7 is 14. 14 doubled is 28. And then I have to add the square of the middle number. So it's 28 plus 64, which equals 92. Okay, let's do one last big one, 683. So I take 6 times 3 is 18, and I double that to get 36, plus the middle number squared is 64. 64 plus 36 is 100. Okay? Once you understand this idea of a duplex, finding the squares of numbers will be really easy. So let's just recap. The duplex of a 1-digit number is just its square, okay? The duplex of a 2-digit number is product of two numbers, and then you multiply that by 2, okay? So for example, here I had 2 times 4, I started with that, then I just did times 2, 3 times 7 times 2, 6 times 8 times 2. And a 3-digit number is, let me write it this way, it's gonna make it a little bit easier, I think. So let's say I have a 3-digit number represented by the A, B, C form, so like, 3, 4, 5, it could represent anything. The steps are really this, aren't you? You're taking twice the product of the end numbers plus the square of the middle number. Okay, so review that idea. Once this is mastered, Finding squares is going to be extremely easy using the duplex method, okay? Great job.